Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. excuse me. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for July 4th to 16th, July 4th to the 8th. We have a ridge here forecast over Alaska. We also have a broad subtropical ridge across southern U.S. and we have a trough here in the northwest. And what we have is another excuse me, I had a sneeze. We have an upper low here near Hudson Bay with the progressive flow here across the northern U.S. Miles of good agreement, and within this period, we have a surface front for the northern central states will weaken before another front overtakes it by later in the week. The trough moving into the Great Lakes and Northeast should push the cold front eastward and off the eastern seaboard by the weekend. With this system, expect numerous showers and thunderstorms are possible from the northern plains to the upper Midwest late in the weekend into the weekend, and scattered numerous showers and thunderstorms are also expected across the eastern U.S. by the weekend. July 7th to the 11th. The pattern remains generally unchanged. We still have our subtropical ridge here, trough over the northwest, flat flow across the northern U.S. So the miles of good agreement on this. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here and east of the Mississippi River. And I'm forecasting anomalies of 2 to 6 degrees above normal. And then below normal temperatures are forecast for this region here. And anomalies are forecast to be near 2 degrees below normal for precipitation. Calling for above normal precipitation for much of this area here. And the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. And then we have below normal precipitation forecast for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 35%. Then as we go into the later half of the period, this is going into mid-July. It's July 12th to 16th. A ridge is forecast to remain here over Alaska. We have our subtropical ridge here. It might also try to retrograde to the west a little bit. And there's some indications here of a trough here across the northeast. And you can see the GFS shows it the most. And then we go through the other models. To some degree, lesser extent, the GEFS. And then we look at the European. And then the NAEFS even has some type of a trough here. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for the western U.S. and portions of the southeast. And I'm forecasting anomalies to be about near 4 degrees above normal, and then below normal temperatures forecast for this region here. And anomalies will be close to 2 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is about 40%. And then we have below normal precipitation for the Gulf Coast states in the southeast. Probability of occurrence is 35%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for July 4th to 16th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.